Hi, thanks for joining in today. Today we're going to show you a couple of the apps that we have from members of the Luxury Real Estate Network. As you can see on my home screen here, there's two brands that are most notable. One being in the bottom second corner from the right is Whistler Real Estate. I'm just going to open up their app and show you what it looks like with their branding and their logo, and the name of one of their agents who's part of the app, who's listed all their service providers inside here that they share with their clients and also use as a branding and marketing tool to help stay top of mind and connected throughout the relationship they have pre-sale and sort of post-sale as well. The other company we have that's featured today is another luxury real estate network member called Dexter Realty. Again, the same sort of idea. When you open up the app, the agent's name is there, along with the branding of the company and their list of recommended vendors that they share with their clients through their marketing efforts, or at any time that their clients call and look for a recommendation of someone that can help them with a home improvement opportunity. For the purpose of this demonstration and to show you how agents use the app, I'm going to be using this company in the bottom right corner called Realty Pros. So as the other one showed you, the very same way that once the app is opened up and downloaded by your clients, which you can do by sharing it with them in a few different ways. One of the easiest ways to share them with is in the top right-hand corner. You will see a up arrow, a square box with an up arrow that allows you to share this entire app. And you can either do that by text message, by email, or right away in your social media, which I'll talk about a little bit further down throughout this presentation. So once again, you would just tap the right-hand corner, press the desired way of communicating this app with one of your clients. So a lot of agents tell me they use this app now as a digital business card. So a real great way to share your name, share your brand with people that maybe that you meet at a networking event or a social event, or even at open houses, where it's really important to get the names and phone numbers of those prospects coming through an open house. This app is often used as a great way to strike up the conversation and ask them for their phone number. Hit that button in the top right-hand corner, like I showed you, and text your app to them. Because now you have got their contact information, and they have your information on their phone, which they never lose, as opposed to business cards, which often quite easily get lost, especially when people are out and about at networking events or even open houses. The next feature of the app that's really beneficial and gets great feedback from the agents that use it is this refer button in the middle. When you tap that, this opens up this opportunity here, this field here, where your clients or prospects or even service providers for that matter who have your app on their phone will be able to easily refer you to friends or family members. So picture a scenario where, let's say, one of your clients is having, or prospects, or anyone you know is having lunch or coffee with a friend, and that person looks for a referral to a real estate agent. You can open up your have your clients open up your app. They'll grab your profile here. They'll hit this little plus button in the top right hand corner, which will take them to their address book, and just find the name of the person that you want to share the app with, or refer the agent to real easy right here. Little message in here that says, tells them what you're looking for. Maybe you're looking, your friend's looking for a 3-bedroom home or something like that. You would just hit that, hit done, press send, and that referral gets submitted instantaneously to both the real estate agent and to the prospect looking to list or buy their house. So again, that's all done very seamlessly with a nice 3-way referral conduit. As you can see at the top of my phone, I got a text message with that referral. So like I said, the prospect and the real estate agent both receive that referral submitted to them by a former client or service provider, and it's all copied by email and text message. The guts of the app are made up of your service providers or your contacts that you have and that you share with your clients on a regular basis. So you can have as many or as little as you want in here. You can see every industry can be covered. It's very easy to access this now for your clients when they have your app on their phone. Perhaps they're looking for a landscaper, so they could tap the landscaping button there. You could have 2 or 5 or 10 different landscapers in there. When they open up that profile, they will see that there's a description of the services that service provider offers, their name, phone number, email address, street location, and of course there'll be a discount that's highlighted in this toolbar here that really does a couple of things. It really For the agents, it's a way for them to communicate to their service providers that they work with closely, that they're sharing this app with potentially hundreds or thousands of their clients, at networking events or through social media, whatever the case may be, and they go out there and they pre-negotiate these discounts that they can pass on to their clients. So, like I said, that's a great way to strengthen your relationship with your client, with your service providers, and create consumer loyalty with your clients. Because, as you know, everybody loves a discount. And if I knew, if your clients know that you're out there working hard for them and negotiating those discounts, they're certainly going to remember you when it comes time for referring and sending you leads for prospects. Over in the app as well, each agent will have their own profile. In here, you can get a quick bio, put your bio, your years of experience, or your awards, your accreditations, your phone number, and all your contact information is in there for your clients to have at their fingertips. In the top left-hand corner, there's this 3 lines with the menu bar. This is where you can easily go and view the discounts at an at-a-glance view, sort of all the discounts your agent's gone out and pre-negotiated for you and passed on to their clients. There's an area here where you can attach your listings, so your listings from your website can be viewed on here as well. Built-in mortgage calculator. You can send push notifications to your clients, so those are instant messages that anyone can receive that's downloaded the app. They show up as a text message on their phone, and those can be messages, inviting people to a open house or sharing information about a new new listing you just received, home improvement tips, invitations to golf or charity tournaments. Anything you like is sent out there through a push notification. At the very bottom, you can see where agent tools are. Each agent or every agent that has this app has the ability to log in with an email address and a password. In here, you can actually really easily see or add your service providers. If you just tap the app provider, you can grab someone out of your address book or put their contact information there while you're on the fly, maybe meeting someone at wherever you might be that would be a good fit for your app as a curated and vetted service provider. Populate all their information. Takes about 30 seconds to do that. Turn on the discount tab like we talked about earlier as the value proposition that helps create the client loyalty and strengthen that relationship. Go back into the main part of the app there again. After you've added the service provider, there's an avenue here where you can see statistics of how many people have downloaded your app and shared their app and referrals received and providers contacted. So some real good, valuable data and analytics on how your app usage is going and getting some good feedback on your marketing efforts and your marketing dollars that are spent. Also in here is a real easy way to share the app and promote it on your Facebook and your Twitter accounts. By setting this up, you can easily send all your contacts at once, a copy or a link to the app with this little message right here, which can be customized. If I was to hit send here, we'd go to all the contacts in my address book at the same time, or you can select them individually and send them in groups or bundles. Last part of this that to show you is the ability to share this information. Social sharing is something that is very popular now with real estate agents, creating content and having it posted on their Facebook and their Twitter accounts. So this app has the ability to instantly connect to Facebook and Twitter. So anything you do, for example, adding a service provider can be shared on your Facebook and your Twitter account, again, helping with the branding of both your company and promoting that service provider to help drive downloads. And we also create content weekly that we share with you that can be emailed to you weekly. You have the option of sharing it or skipping it or posting it on your Facebook and Twitter account. Usually that information looks something like this, and I'll just show you quickly what that is. It's a pardon me. It's just a quick little snapshot here of a sample of what that information looks like. That's posted on that we share with you that you can post on your Facebook and Twitter accounts. So that's pretty much it. What you're looking at here as well is a web manager that manages most everything that you can do on the phone, but this is also a back-end way to easily create information, add service providers, send your push notifications, see that dashboard information, of content or app downloads and referrals, etc. All very easily accessible through a web manager. We include training and setup when we set you up with this app, so you'll learn a lot more about that once you connect with our office and get your own app. Hope this was informative, and works for you to share this information.